Hey, what's up guys? This is Nick from Vorsteiner. I'm here to show you one of our newest three-piece wheels. This is gonna be a 24-inch wheel. We're doing the VMP 308. As you can see, we just got it back from the finisher. It's nice and fresh, satin black. On the outer barrel, it's gonna be a liquid smoke, polished. Kind of see it has a reflection. And our inner barrel is gonna be our standard satin black. Well, I think our finishing always turns out good. We have a really high quality finisher, and he does a really good job every single time. But we always like to check and see if there's any type of flaws, because we want to make sure these wheels are always perfect. Yeah, I would definitely rock these on the G-Wagon. These are really cool, multi-spoke design. It's really modern, edgy, and I think in the satin black, it looks perfect. Kind of aggressive yet classy look on the back side of the face. This is a high temperature thread locker. Holds the studs. Makes sure that they stay where they're supposed to be. And that just kind of makes sure that these studs stay in place over time. The wheel gets exposed to a lot of heat, especially during driving, braking, all that heat kind of transfers to the wheel. So having the thread locker on the backside with the threads makes sure they stay in place. So now we're gonna torque the studs on the back of the face. Make sure they're up to spec, make sure everything's right. It's important to keep torque spec because it makes sure that everything is seated properly. So we just sanded the back side of the barrel. And the reason why you do this is because when they get powder coated or finished, they usually have that little extra layer of finishing on top of the metal. And the surface right here that meets the other half of the lip has to be flat. That way it seats properly. And this is gonna be inserting the face into the barrel. So you have three pieces, the outer, the inner, and the face. And what we'll do here is we'll set the face into the outer and we'll align it so that it fits through both barrels, and then we'll tighten it up and we'll move on to checking the round on the wheel. And then from there, we'll tighten it up.
All right guys, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. I got some exciting stuff for today. We're gonna start working on Cole's Mercedes G63 G-Wagon. The fender flares, the front spoiler, diffuser.
Now it's on there, it's looking good.
And his 24-inch new VMP three-piece 24-inch wheels.
This would be my personal choice if I had that car. I really like the smoke barrel with the satin black. It looks really nice. And then we're gonna finish it off with the gloss black hardware. And then center cap will be up to the customer, but I hope he does red and black because it'll look really good. So,
guys, welcome back to the channel. Sitting behind me is a 2021 Mercedes G-Wagon AMG Biturbo. We've got some exciting stuff we're about to do for it. Next we're gonna do is put some fender flares, 24s by the way. It'll be cool.
Step one, remove the these nuts, 10mm nut. Then all the factory mounting points. So to take this one off, the liner, this fender liner, remove this one. After that, after removing the fender liners, we can jump on this one, on the fender. So now the liner is coming out. Once remove all the bolts and clips, you're allowed to take the liner out. It's holding by these nuts here, 10mm around. This one, this one, this one, this one. These nuts are the holding the fender on. carbon part. So next step is that these nuts 10 millimeters on the carbon fiber part. For this one, it's gonna be these 3 10 millimeter nuts, and the rest is gonna be clips. This one right here, this one, and the last one in the front. This part one here. Last step, these 2 8 millimeter bolts.
All right, so we got the carbon parts on. We got the hood, the front grille, the front lip,
Now it's on there, it's looking good.
front fenders, rear fender, and the rear diffuser. Next we're gonna do is fill the gap, okay, with... Next I'll be mounting the tires for these wheels. This is gonna be my first time mounting 24s, so that'll be interesting.